tossing and turning all night, muscles tight, and your mind just won't shut off? I used to lay in bed exhausted, but couldn't fall asleep. And even when I did, I'd wake up feeling like I'd never rested at all. So I started taking magnesium glycinate. This is from Ready To, and I'm not even going to lie. At first, I wasn't sure it would make a difference, but after a few weeks of taking it consistently before bed, something changed. My nights became calmer, my body felt more relaxed, and my mind finally slowed down. This is the one I've been using, Ready To Magnesium Glycinate. It's gentle, easy to absorb, and now it's part of my nightly routine. I fall asleep faster, I stay asleep longer, and my muscles don't feel as tense after long days. I wake up actually feeling rested, and that's something I didn't even realize I was missing. Honestly, I just feel more calm, more balanced, and more like myself. If you're dealing with restless nights or tension in your body, you need this. Hey, make sure you use my code SWEET20 and grab it through my link. It might just change your night like it did mine. And I want to thank Ready To for partnering with me on today's video. Y'all, I wanted to share with y'all, first of all, this skincare mask that I'm using tonight. Oh my goodness. Listen, the first time I used this, I was amazed. So I had to share. So it is the COSRX PDRN Exosome Glaze Wrapping Mask. Yeah, that's a mouthful. But this one is giving. It's giving hydration, firmness, and that glass skin glow. We're going to talk more about it. I'm going to do a separate video because that's a lot to take in. So we're going to get right into this shower routine. Baby, I'm starting with my Dial soap. I know this routine is more along the hydration line, but I still have to, got to do my initial cleanse, that base cleanse with Dial soap. Dial soap is so important. It's antibacterial. I can use it on my body. I can use it on the downstairs area. And in this time right now that we're getting to the warm weather, you're going to wish you had this in your arsenal for sure. But baby, I've been using it for a while. I've never had problems out of Dial. So I know it's not for everybody, but it is definitely for me. So most of my shower routines, you will definitely see it. And then something new to the mix I've been using from Avon is the Femme Bliss Feminine Wash. This one, has this light cucumber scent, and I have really loved it. I swapped it out from using the Dial, and it's been working amazingly. I love this so much. And because, again, we're dealing with youthfulness, firmness, hydration, this one is less drying than the Dial. Now, moving into the body wash, the multi-peptide advanced body wash from Naturium. Baby, if you have not used this yet, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting on? Oh, you were waiting on me to try it, to let you know that it's amazing how it rejuvenates the skin, cleanses the skin, and smooths the skin with rice amino acids and vitamin E. That's what you wanted me to tell you about? Well, I just did. I picked this up off of Amazon, and yes, I'm going to keep this one around because when the skin is feeling a little dry, if your skin has got a little roughness, texture, so forth, this is where you need to take it, and especially for us mature ladies. Get to it. And I did not go in alone with it. I went ahead, as you saw, I did put on my exfoliating bath gloves. Y'all, you can get these a dime a dozen, and they are well worth it. But I was able to use that shower wash all over my body from neck to toe and use those gloves as well. In order to add a little bit more hydration, I did go in with my Skin So Soft, the original oil, y'all. This was the original bath oil. Y'all already know this is the goat of shower oils, okay? Number one. And that's all in the shower. We're not going to strip the skin. We're not going to take anything away. We're going to go right in and get this face taken care of. And I'm still using the Nycumin face wash, jelly wash from the Ayurveda Experience. And once I got out of the shower, y'all, as you notice, I did not dry off my skin rough. I patted my skin dry, just pat dry. And then I went in with my Avon Anu Hydrofusion treatment here. This is great for leaving on overnight if you want your skin looking luscious and plump the next morning. Girl, in combination with that mask I did earlier and this, the skin was popping. The skin was popping. I had a little blemish a little while ago, but I am working on that. And I'm also using like rosehip oil as an alternative to help lighten things up. But let me tell y'all about this glow getter. Hold on. Let me get into this glow getter because this is got me. I was so impressed by this glow getter multi-oil body butter from Naturium. Girl, when they did this, you can set all other body butters aside unless you're making one of my DIYs. But honey, Naturium did this. They understood the assignment, and boy, they are a top contender. It's one of my favorite body butters. I'm just saying it right here, y'all. Look, this is it. Get it. Get it. Okay. Everything will be linked below. And I also used my BS Mall collagen hyaluronic acid lip mask, lip gloss, or whatever you want to call it. But them lips is, yes, luscious. Yes, they are. And I did use my secret. My secret is my secret, baby. I keep secret all the time. It's been my go-to for 50 years. And I'm not going to change now. That is it. Y'all, I'm just going to tell you about the skin of mine right now. It's feeling grand. It's feeling wonderful. I'm feeling amazing. So that's why I had to put on one of my favorite scents. But I didn't go get the real deal. I got the Dossier. But this is Jimmy Choo, I Want You. And I didn't realize they had it, so I had to go and order it. But baby, your girl's skin is glowing. You will not be disappointed with the shower routine. And the grand part about it, it was so simple. It was so freaking simple to do. It didn't take a lot of products. I didn't have to go to any extremes. But this shower routine here focused on hydration, skin tightening, and restoring that natural glow using this simple and effective shower routine. But as always, listen, consistency is key. And when you take care of your skin daily, you will start to see and feel the difference. I am a witness and I am an example. So babes, that's it. Let's glow, let's tighten, and let's feel confident at any age. I'm out. I will see y'all on the next one. Stay beautiful.
And still you rise with grace. That ain't luck, baby. That's magic. That's magic.